Welcome to today's lesson. This is Algebra part 2. We will discuss some basic problems from Algebra. So let's start. Question number 1. If x plus 1 by x equals to square root of 3, then find x power 13 plus 1 by x power 13. The options are 1, 2, 0 and root 3. Answer. Given that x plus 1 by x equals to square root of 3. Squaring, we get x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 3. That implies x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equals to 3. And that implies x square plus 1 by x square equals to 3 minus 2, which is 1. Now multiplying by x square, we get x power 4 plus 1 equals to x square. And that implies x power 4 minus x square plus 1 equals to 0. Now x power 6 plus 1 equals to x square plus 1 times x power 4 minus x square plus 1. Here we are using the formula of aq plus bq. And since the expression of this is equals to 0, we get the value of x power 6 plus 1 equals to 0. So x power 6 equals to minus 1. And that implies x power 12 equals to minus 1 whole square equals to 1. Therefore, x power 13 plus 1 by x power 13, which is written as x power 12 times x plus 1 by x power 12 times x equals to x plus 1 by x, since x power 12 equals to 1, and that is given to be square root of 3. So option D is correct. Now question number 2. If x plus 1 by x square equals to 3, then find the value of x power 100 plus x power 94 plus x power 50 plus x power 44 plus 1. Options are root 3, 2, 0 and 1. Answer. We have x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 3 equals to square root of 3 whole square. Taking square roots, we get x plus 1 by x equals to root 3. Since x plus 1 by x equals to root 3, from question number 1, we get x power 6 plus 1 equals to 0. You can go back and check. Now the given expression can be written as x power 94 times x power 6 plus 1. We are taking common x power 94 from the first two terms, and we will do the next two terms as well. So we get plus x power 44 times x power 6 plus 1 plus 1. And since x power 6 plus 1 equals to 0, we are getting 0 plus 1, which is 1. Thus option D is correct. Now question number 3. If x plus 1 by x equals to root 3, then find the value of x power 18 plus 1 by x power 18 plus 2. Options are root 3, 2, 0 and 1. You can do it similarly as before. I have provided the answer here. You do it in your own and check with my answer. Question number 4. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then the value of a square plus b square plus c square is. The options are abc, b square minus 4ac, 0, minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Answer. Given that a plus b plus c equals to 0, squaring, we get a plus b plus c whole square equals to 0 square equals to 0. And we know the square of a plus b plus c is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca, which is 0. Thus a square plus b square plus c square equals to minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. So option D is correct. Now question number 5. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then the value of a square plus b square plus c square by ab plus bc plus ca is 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. we have a plus b plus c equals to 0. So from question number 4, you can go back and check that the value of a square plus b square plus c square equals to minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Thus, a square plus b square plus c squared by ab plus bc plus ca equals to minus 2. So option B is correct. Now question number 6. If a plus b plus c equals to 0 and a square plus b square plus c square equals to minus 10, then find ab plus bc plus ca. The options are 5, 5 by 2, minus 10 and 10. Answer. We have a plus b plus c equals to 0. So from question number 4, again we get a square plus b square plus c square equals to minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. And we are putting the value of a square plus b square plus c square equals to minus 10. So we get minus 10 equals to minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. So ab plus bc plus ca equals to minus 10 by minus 2, which is 5. So option A is correct. Now question number 7. Find a plus b whole square minus a minus b square by a square b plus ab square. Here the options are 1 by a plus b, 1 by a minus b, 4 by a minus b and 4 by a plus b. Answer. Suppose capital A equals to a plus b and capital B equals to a minus b. Thus the given expression can be written as capital A square minus capital B square by a square b plus ab square. And we know the formula of a square minus b square, which is a minus b times a plus b. So we get a capital A plus capital B times capital A minus capital B by a square b plus ab square equals to capital A equals to a plus b and capital B equals to a minus b. So we get small a plus small b plus small a minus b times a plus b minus a plus b by ab times a plus b, and this is 2a and this is 2b. So we get 4ab by ab times a plus b, which is equals to 4 by a plus b. So option D is correct. Guys, this is what we have in today's lesson. Now you can ask question in comment section. I will answer them in another video. And don't forget to like, comments, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.